All right, so we're gonna try and push this tree down here in my yard. It's right next to the kids' playhouse here, and it is about half dead, and it's right next to this big tree, so it doesn't get the light it needs to really thrive, and it never really did fully grow, especially on this side of it. So we're gonna use the Kobelco 35 here and see if we can't push it over. That's the first time I've ever pushed a tree down with an excavator. And it's not a very big tree. It's maybe, I don't know, 14 inches. And root structure wasn't really all that big. I was surprised. It's pretty tall though. That's a good 45 feet, maybe 50 feet. But I tried pushing on it before I dug, and it moved a little, but I didn't think I'd have enough to keep it going. So I decided to dig it, and that's when I went and got the cameras. But it took about 10 minutes. Got the tree down, stump going, and I just kind of graded this over a little bit. I got some more dirt out back. I'll bring over and fill this in with it. But yeah, it started to go, and I let off of it. As soon as I let off of it, it started coming towards the play set here, and we sustained a little damage. Should have just kept into it, but I hesitated, and when a tree's going over, the last thing you want to do is hesitate, so lesson learned there. But heck yeah, that's the way to take down trees. I'll have to start doing that a little more often.